What's up everyone, Jacob Rothenberg here. Going to give you a quick video for Kindle Publishing. A lot of people have been contacting me about one-on-one coaching, and I have slightly restructured the way that my coaching system works. So just to preface this, the reason why I'm doing this video and the reason why I've come out with this is because I wanted to make myself more accessible to my students, and I do value my time, and I seriously only have time for so many students, which is why I said, hey, I only want committed, serious students. Here's a price tag. If you're willing to pay this, I know you're serious. I know you can be someone like Alex Jordan, who is making over $200 a day. I think he made $470 yesterday. You know what? Let's look at that real quick since we're on the topic. So, if you guys don't know, Alex has been working with me as an actual client for the past 2 months. We've always been in correspondence, but I've really been working with him since the summer of this year. And he's gone from zero online, virtually zero online, to where yesterday he had his first $470 day. I mean, those are not easy to come across, and he's done it. Gosh, he's beating me right now in terms of the month, which is awesome. I'm a little jealous too. But I mean, I'm doing well, but this is like doing super well. But imagine someone who was at zero this summer, who didn't know anything about publishing, totally clueless in the dark. Now, I'm not going to take all of the credit for his success, but working with him, not just as someone who's teaching him Kindle Publishing, because it's pretty easy to teach the basic mechanics, but all of my underlying strategies, the rationale for choosing certain keywords, what am I looking for, what you should look for, what should you be doing with keyword research, what factors should you be considering, and also with building a brand, how to position yourself in the market, how you want your customer avatar to be played out, all that stuff I teach, and it's actually in my course REVELAVI, but I'll mention that in a sec. So, last month I believe Jordan did 2.4 in its entirety of October, $2,400. He's already crossed the $3,000 threshold, and I predict that not only will he make $6,000 this month at least, he's going to make his first $10,000 a month in December this year. So super exciting. Alex, thank you, man, for just proving that if you listen, you work hard, you pull through with being consistent, you publish, you can get numbers like these. So, I just want to, without further ado, say what this is all about. So, originally I had a coaching plan of $1,000, and that's what Alex, Alan, Allison, and others have paid and been set up with, and it's worked great for all of them. But I realized too, hey, in terms of practicality, not everyone can afford $1,000 for coaching, with the level that you're at. And hey, that's totally fair, and that's the reality, right? I hear that. So what I've decided to do is two things. First, I'm offering a cheaper plan. So it's called my Silver Plan. $500 where you get 2 Skype coaching calls with me, and you get 1 month of unlimited email access. So, you can consult with me with everything and anything related to publishing. There's really nothing off limits with questions you have. I'm not a guy who likes to hide things, because that's probably a flaw of mine. But come with questions. If you want my opinion or my recommendation on either your strategy or a strategy you're looking to play out, or if you need critiques on books you're possessing now, about to buy, or are releasing, that's something I do too, along with keyword research. Everything and anything we can do in Skype calls, and with the 1 month you get with me for unlimited email access. So, anything you need, I'm here for Kindle Publishing. And it's a great way to not only make more money online, but to also have a safety net, to know that someone who's experienced, who's seen a lot, So worked with a lot of students, worked with a lot of other well-to-do publishers, other publishers who are making a full-time living off of this. I talk to publishers almost every day that make over 10,000 a month, and I see what's going on at the top, and I'm climbing too, folks. So, I don't have to really show off my results. Every time I do, they seem to get deleted from the message boards, but that's aside of the point. Um, so, yeah, this is a great plan if you want to get started with coaching with me. Hey, this is definitely affordable. I think if you're serious and you're committed, and I can't make any income claims, but I will do my best to make sure that you make your back your money as fast as possible. Provided that you actually have money for books and you don't blow all your money on coaching, have some money aside for books, and we'll get you going, and we're going to get you to be eventually successful with Kindle publishing. So that's the silver plan. The diamond plan is what I've been offering all along now with a twist. So with the diamond plan, you get 4 Skype coaching calls, and along with the 1 month of unlimited email access, you get 1 month access to me literally 24/7. Kind of freaky, but 24/7 with text access. So whether that's through Facebook Messenger or through regular text, I prefer Facebook Messenger as I can use my keyboard. But hey, text works too. Whatever works best for you, for your business, for your lifestyle. If you want that access, along with a total of 4 Skype coaching calls, that's a lot of time you're taking with me. So, let's work together. And honestly, I think that this is the best plan to start off with. Of course, I'm going to say that because it's more expensive. But no, really. I find it best with all the coaching scenarios I've seen to be able to work and talk to someone literally 24/7, fluidly, having that messaging access. It works really well. And along with that, if you decide to go with the diamond plan, I'll give you a free copy of REVELAVI, where it's pretty much my course on dominating self-publishing. It is an encapsulation of everything I teach in my coaching. So if you can't afford either the diamond or even the silver plan, I implore you to check out REVELAVI at revelavi.com. So that is your other go-to. And so that's set at 1,000. Now here's the cool thing. I've decided that for repeat clients, past the first month, I've seen it, I've analyzed things, and I've come to the conclusion that for most people, we're going to just throw you into the lion's den as far as everything coaching for Kindle publishing in month 1. Okay, so month 1, I don't mess around, I don't F around. It's going to be your life, okay, when you're doing coaching with me. And, I prefer that we work as much together as possible during month 1. Now, after, your first month with me, I've decided that it would make more sense to have me not as a fully fledged coach, but more as like a retainer. So, it doesn't make sense for you to pay $1,000 every month for coaching at your level. It just doesn't make sense, right? So, past your first month, with either the silver or diamond plan, we're going to have what's called the loyalty plan, where it's just for $300 you get 1 call and 1 month of unlimited email access. So if you've decided you still want to work with me, I'm doing it at a much discounted rate where it doesn't have to be as intense with having the coaching calls and having to check on everything and anything you're doing. But if you just want that access to me where you can have your keywords reviewed, your books analyzed, or what you're doing, recommendations I can give or what not to do, hey, we have that set up too for continual coaching, and we'll do that at $300. One thing I want to mention, these are all one-time payments with no recurring billing. So, there's no fuss as to whether, oh my God, I need to cancel my coaching or else I'm going to get billed again. No. So I've made it super easy. One-time payments on any of these plans. And if you decide you want to keep going, you go to the loyalty plan. And again, that's a one-time payment. We'll just take it payment by payment. I don't want to really play games with the whole subscription thing. So this will work well. And guys, again, it's not too late to be someone like Alex Jordan. December's coming up. My numbers are crazy too. You might have been able to see them before they got deleted in the blueprint. Because, I'm shining. But to say like someone who spent $1,000 on coaching is now making 470 on the regular, and his numbers, if you see here, he averages 270 a day without even audiobooks for the month of November. So, you know, you want to hop on this. This is not a limited time offer. I think this is going to stay. So, guys, if you're interested, go to JacobRothenberg.net. Couldn't get the .com as someone's been holding it for years, and I've been trying. But go to JacobRothenberg.net. I'll leave a link in the description below. And otherwise, we'll be working more together later. See ya.